4-player chess. How to play. The rules are the same as 3-player chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Set up the pieces in their matching color quadrant. Each player picks a color to control. There are 2 teams, the white and brown team and the blue and orange team. The player with the white pieces goes first, followed by orange, brown, then blue. The game ends once one player has been checkmated, with the team that delivered the checkmate winning. Checkmate happens at the start of the player's turn who is threatening an opponent's king. A king may not capture a piece protected by that piece's teammate, even if your teammate could capture it before its next turn. You may not capture your teammate's pieces. Therefore, you do not threaten your teammate's king, and your teammate may castle through a space you can move to. You are allowed to block a check on your teammate, but you may not move a piece so your teammate is in check, even if your teammate could capture it before its next turn. When traveling through the center rosette, the spaces directly opposite each other, as well as their adjacent rosette spaces, are not diagonally or orthogonally connected through the center. This means that diagonal movement through the center may not continue to the opposite rosette. Nor can the king, queen, or knight, when starting on a rosette, travel to any of these spaces. Here are the knight's available moves when starting on a rosette. Pawns always move away from their own base towards an opponent's base. They can capture diagonally through the rosette towards either opponent, but after doing so, they will only be able to advance towards that opponent. It is impossible for a pawn to occupy a space inside their teammates' quarter of the board. A pawn's initial double-step move and en passant are allowed like normal. The first team to checkmate one opponent wins.